Animating dialogue manually can take a lot of time, especially when you have multiple scenes or characters. That's where Create Script comes in. This powerful feature automatically generates a complete lip sync performance from your audio, allowing your character to speak naturally in just a few clicks. Whether you're using recorded audio or a voiceover created with the built-in text-to-speech feature, Create Script analyzes the speech and synchronizes the character's mouth movements with the dialogue. This gives you a solid starting point instantly, while still allowing you to fine-tune the lip sync later if needed. Let's start by generating a voiceover using the built-in text-to-speech (TTS) feature. Open the text-to-speech panel, type or paste the dialogue you want your character to speak, and then choose a voice from the available voice library.
Hello. We can create voice actors in Cartoon Animator.
Now, select the WAV file that you want to use for the lip sync.
Wow, that was incredible! Let's see what happens next.
For the best results, make sure the voice recording is clear, high quality, and free from background noise. The better the audio quality, the more accurate the automatic lip sync generation will be. Let's switch over to the timeline to see how our voice clips are laid out. If any clip needs a little trimming, don't worry. The lip sync updates automatically to stay perfectly aligned with the audio. At this point, our character feels a little stiff. That's because facial expressions play a huge role in making a character feel alive. Without them, even a perfectly animated character can look robotic and emotionless. We'll use the Face Puppet tool to add some basis expressions. Before you start recording, you can preview different facial expressions in real time by pressing the spacebar. This lets you see how the character reacts while the voice clip is playing, so you can practice the performance before committing to a recording. Take your time experimenting with different expressions. Try matching smiles, blinks, eyebrow movements, and head motions to the emotion of the dialogue. A subtle expression often looks much more natural than an exaggerated one. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click the record button and perform the facial animation. The recorded expressions will be layered on top of your existing animation, giving your character much more personality and making the entire performance feel believable and engaging.
Wow, that was incredible! Let's see what happens next.
You can enhance your character's performance even further using the Face Key Editor. Simply open the Face Key Editor, select the expression preset you want to use, and apply it at the desired
Wow,
point
that
on
was
the
incredible!
timeline. You can add emotions such as happiness, surprise, anger, sadness, or any other facial expression to make your character's performance more engaging and lifelike.
Wow, that
By
was
combining
incredible!
automatic lip sync with expressive facial animations, you can create a much more natural and convincing performance without having to animate every facial movement manually.
Wow, that was incredible! Let's see what happens next.
And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and learned how to quickly create automatic lip sync using Create Script in Cartoon Animator. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming tutorials. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy animating!